Come on up. Don't be shy. Whenever you've got that's busted, I'll fix it up in a jiffy.
Go on, sweetie. She'll take good care of Ginny. Thanks. We've heard so much about your work. How can we ever repay you?
Oh, don't worry about it. I'm just happy to...
Belle the Tinkerer. So eager to be of service, yet you turn down my terrible invitation to be my machine. Guess I'll just have to help myself.
Run! Run! Dr. Eggman's in control!
That's right. Now hitch up your little wagon. I have a mission for you.
Motorbud! Strings on me! Ooh. Thanks, Motorbud.
What just happened? What did you do? When you repaired Metal Sonic, the data you two exchanged made you prone to my direct control. Your ill-guided compassion should have left you at my mercy.
Yeah, I know. I'm not stupid. I asked Tails to scan me, and he found your Trojan code. He couldn't quarantine me without affecting my base program. So I came up with a just-in-case, where Motorbud can override my motor functions until you get bored and leave me alone.
Why, you little... I don't have time for the game. You're essential to my plan,
So try asking nicely?
Metal Sonic has gone missing, along with a cache of supplies. For whatever reason, I can't connect to him. I suspect foul play. I need to use the unique link between you two to regain control. Please.
Metal Sonic's in trouble? Well, since you asked so nicely, sure.
Ah! Then...
On one condition. I get to bring Sonic.
Sonic? Oh, you wretched little puppet. Fine! Mr. Rodent would probably show up anyway. I've sent you the coordinates of Metal Sonic's last known location. Find Sonic and get there. Pronto! I didn't expect such forethought and cunning from her.
Well, she is one of your creations, after a fashion.
Meh. Sonic's involvement is only gonna make things more complicated.
Oh! What if when they find Metal Sonic, you have him ambush Sonic and Belle? They'll never see it coming.
The instigating issue is we've lost contact with Metal Sonic. We can't give him the command to attack.
Oh, yeah. And I guess it'd be kind of rude to.
That Belle's probably gonna try to cheat me again. And whoever stole Metal Sonic could just undo her work. I need assurance that my programming will retake control. I need an agent I can rely on that Sonic won't immediately see as a threat. Ha ha!
Sage, fully initialized and reporting for duty.
Yay! Little Sis Sage!
Can we get you anything, little sis?
Some personal space will suffice.
You were designed to be my ultimate artificial intelligence program. Your ability to interact with and control technology is second to none. Your mission is to accompany Belle the Tinkerer and Sonic, locate Metal Sonic and regain control of him by any means necessary.
I will not fail you.
And if the situation gets too dangerous, you're to retreat to safety immediately.
I'll be careful, sir.
Where's Dr. Eggman's envoy? He should have been here by now.
Figures. He loses Metal Sonic and doesn't have anything else fast.
Thanks again for coming. And... sorry for making you save your arch-rival.
Happy to help you. As for Metal, I'd rather he be with the jerk I know than one I don't.
We meet again, Sonic. Let us commence with the mission.
Eggman's controlling ghosts now?
Hey, it's Sage! When was the last time we tangled?
How exactly do you know her?
She's Eggman's newest creation. Tried to destroy me, helped me save the world, You know how it goes.
Uh-huh. And you two just get along now?
Sonic is my enemy, but he also saved Dr. Eggman. That is to say, my father. For that, he has my gratitude.
Eggman is your father?
Yes,
Good for you.
your vehicle is not suitably equipped for this terrain or weather.
Sorry, I didn't think I'd be traveling to the Arctic under threat of being taken hostage.
An oversight on your part.
Oh, what? Like you could have predicted that?
I can compile millions of predicted models in seconds. I am prepared for any contingency.
Oh boy. Let's get searching, ladies. Ugh. Sun's almost down and storm's blowing in. We should call it a night.
Negative. The search will continue until we find Metal Sonic.
The search is gonna stop permanently if we get frozen solid.
The limitations of your biology and physical natures are proving to be a liability to the mission.
What's the matter? Didn't think to calculate for that.
Sonic has proven he can overcome any hazardous scenario, and you are only required to perform at basic functionality.
All this, and I get to look forward to facing Metal Sonic again. Alright, I'm calling it. Everyone get cozy in the wagon till the sun's up.
I did not authorize.
You're welcome to sit outside in the storm, kiddo.
Sorry it's so cramped. I don't do a whole lot of, sleeping.
It's cozy. Besides, I'm here to help you, not to get the 5-star hotel experience.
It is rudimentary.
Okay, you know what? Ah! Gears and starters! What was that?
If we're lucky, big ol' gust of wind. If we're unlucky, there's orcas under the ice that missed dinner.
Oh! That's not wind!
You and Motobud get the wagon rolling. I'll handle whatever it is outside. Really hope it isn't orcas. Ow!
You wanted us to keep moving? Well, we're moving.
These are not optimal parameters.
Almost.
Leave it.
No! I'm not losing Motobud again!
You are crucial to the mission. It is not.
He's worth more than...
Finally decided to stand still.
Wait! I just connected to it! That's... Metal Sonic?
Excellent. Initiate a link so I may upload the software patch.
I can't! There's some sort of interference! I can detect him. I can't connect.
That additional hardware must be causing the interference. Sonic, deal with it.
Getting a precise hit on Metal and keeping him from hurting Belle is a bit much. I need to get her and Motobud someplace safe first.
How tedious. Analyzing. Eggnet SatNav data shows a cave network accessible nearby.
Sonic! We're on a frozen lake. The ice...
If the ice breaks, it breaks. We gotta move. Whew! That'll slow him down for a minute. Thanks for the assist, Belle.
Sure. Just... a little warning next time?
Yeah, sorry. Was thinking on the fly.
Were you thinking at all? Metal Sonic is our target. Now we are trapped by your cave-in.
Oh, how I missed your positive attitude. We've got some time to think things through. Did the data you downloaded have a map to this cave?
Negative. And I cannot reach the Eggnet this deep underground.
No worries. We'll do this the old-fashioned way. Why don't you lead since you're the brightest one here?
Do not get overly familiar with me. I am loyal to Dr. Eggman, and you are still my enemy.
I'm glib with all my enemies. Better get used to it, Egg Kid.
Well, pick a direction.
I have no data to draw from. There are too many unknown variables. I cannot accurately predict an outcome.
All my functions are still viable. Looks like the upgraded daughter experience isn't perfect after all.
Easy, Belle.
She doesn't need you to defend her! Or do you plan on swapping me out for the new model too? I'm sorry. I shouldn't have...
You're my friend. Nobody in the world could replace you.
Thank you.
And Sage isn't replacing anyone. Mr. Tinker made you with love. Eggman and Sage's dynamic is more of a happy accident.
I am not following her analogies, and I do not like your tone.
Which shows there might be hope for the old yoke yet. Let's shelve the family drama and get a move on. We've got a Metal Sonic to find and wallop.
Always such a conundrum, that Sonic. In some ways, tediously predictable, and yet astonishingly disruptive at the same time. Not the quarry we hoped to snare tonight, but we are nothing if not flexible.
He's brought that curious little marvel with him. Sage, was it?
This should be fun. Don't you agree?